Hi, my name is Surajit Ghosh. I am showing you today VLOOKUP formula. I will show you two VLOOKUP formulas, that are normal VLOOKUP formula and VLOOKUP formula with table creation, and the second thing, the VLOOKUP with match. Okay, so first of all, just have a look at VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP, just have a look that there are three arguments, that VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, and the column index number. Okay, and the range lookup. So lookup value, what is lookup value? This is your lookup value actually. The lookup value, this is your lookup value. I will fixed this one, so pressing F4 one time, then second time, then third time. So I will fix it the column wise. See, the column wise I am fixing it by pressing 3 times of F4 button. This is your lookup value, comma. The second argument is table array. So I am taking this table array. This is your table array because this value will come from this table. So I am fixed this also. The third is column index number. So the location is in my B column. So the column index number is 2. And the fourth is exact match. This false. I'll choose that exact match. I can choose here 0 also. Nothing will be issue. Okay. So I'm dragging this one and I'm dragging this one, but you will have seen that there are the same value, same in the same Mumbai. It has come in the same Mumbai in the each and every cell, because I have fixed here column number 2, but the department in my column number 3. Okay, and 4, 5, 6. So I have to put here 3, then 4, enter, 5, enter, and that 6, enter. Now I am dragging. See, all the data has come. The second method, VLOOKUP with table. Again, I am doing here the VLOOKUP formula. The lookup value, this is your lookup value. By 3 times pressing, I am fixing the column because I will drag below. So I am fixing that column. Table array, I will not choose like this right now. I will create a table. This one I will create a table. Okay. So selecting my table, or just keep your cursor and Control A. All are selected. Again I am showing you Control A. From here, how will I go up? Control backspace. Okay, Control backspace. So in the name bar, I'm writing here a table name. Suppose I'm doing here sample. Enter. Okay, but keep in mind that in that name bar, don't allow that space. Do not allow space. So you have to do, suppose you write here sample space this one something, it will not allow you to give the name. So definitely have to add with, suppose, any underscore or something like this, or you have to do together. Okay, keep in mind. So I have created that sample table. So where from I can get this sample table, that whether I have created or not? So go formula tab and that name manager. See, this has been created and this is your range. Okay, this is your sheet name and the table, that A to F, A to F, that 101. Okay, so what is benefit of that table, creation of table? Just showing you. Okay, 3 times pressing F4. So table array, so I will not choose like this, or I will not choose like this. Okay, so just SA, the table name, SAMPLE, sample, the table name I'll choose here. See, this is the table, this picture like table. So choosing that sample table name, already it has been demarcated. Okay, it has demarcated. So the column index number here, the column index number 2 and then 0. See, and I'm dragging this one and I'm putting here. I will show you the dynamic way in the next video. Put here that manually, that 3 4 5 6 like this. Okay, 6. See, drag this one. Okay, now I'm coming here that VLOOKUP with match formula. VLOOKUP with match formula. So now the match formula. What is the match formula? First, the argument. See the argument of match formula. See, the match is lookup value, lookup array, and the match type. Lookup value, lookup array, and the match type. See, lookup value, lookup array, and the match type. Okay. So what is lookup value? What is lookup array? And what is match type? So lookup value, lookup array. So lookup array. So lookup array is that this is the lookup value. This is the lookup value actually. So and the lookup array. This is the lookup array. Okay. And exact match, that is 0. See, this is a 1 because the employee code is in 1. This within this row the employee code is 1. So I have to check that where is the employee code, because I have put here like, see, I have put here the column index number. So for taking the column index number, I am doing this one. I am matching. I'll take it match with the match formula. This is your lookup value. The table array, I can choose like this, or I can choose like this, or I can, sorry, or I can choose as a sample, because already in previous sheet I have already created a table as name of sample, or I can choose the total column wise. So I'm choosing like this, the column wise here and fixing. Now the column index number. In that column index number, I will use that match formula. This is your match formula. Lookup value. Now is the lookup value this one. Okay, because I will put here. So this is your location wise details. So this is my lookup value, and I am fixing right now because I will drag the row wise details. So it is being the row wise. So I am fixing that row wise details, and that lookup array. This is your lookup array, because I will find this location with this row number, okay. So pressing F4 for fixing, and this is 0 for exact match. Bracket close. Again one bracket should be closed, because this is related with this one. So here this red mark bracket is related to this one, and that black mark bracket is related to this one. So I have to finish this one. So right now I'm pressing the enter, and I'm dragging this one. See, I'm dragging this one also. Okay, this is your VLOOKUP with match. This is your VLOOKUP with match formula.